In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a new Gmail account with a new Gmail address. And in order to do it, open an internet browser like Google Chrome, and you can go either to google.com/account/about and you will end up on this page, or either you can visit accounts.google.com and you will end up on this page. And from both pages will get you into the same place. And from here you can continue putting your information, or if you choose this one, press on create an account. I will choose for my personal use, and you can see at this step we are the same for both links. Now enter your name and I'll press on next. Last name is just optional. Enter your birthday date here and the gender. Once you're done, you can press on next. For now, I'll not type an email address because I want to create one on my own. So I will select don't have an email address or phone number. And at this step, feel free to create your own email address. As an example, I would like one with Litex Tech Media, the same name with my YouTube channel. And let's see if it's available. I'll press on next. And yes, fortunately is available. If Google won't let you into the next step, you will have to slightly modify your name until you will match an email address which is not used. At this step, you'll have to create a password, so you'll have to write it twice and press on next once you're done. Make sure it's strong. Recovery email address is not really necessary for now, but I will type one because in case you'll forget your password, you want to have a place where you can send your verification code so you can change your password. So the recovery email address is just optional. You can skip that if you don't want to type one right now. And at this step, when Google will ask to type your phone number, sometimes will let you skip this process, and sometimes you are forced to type here your phone number so they can send you a verification code. If you have a button here skip, you can press it, but not always will be there. This will be how your Gmail address will look like. I'm happy with this, so I'll press on next, and I will have to choose my settings, which basically it's related to ad experience. I will choose the first one because it's just one step and it's much faster. Let's press on next, read all this and of course the terms and conditions, and once you're done with that, scroll down and you can press on accept all or reject all. I'll press on accept all. Again, read all this, and after that you can press on confirm. Privacy and terms, again, read all this, and once you're done you can press on I agree or cancel. Of course, I'll press on agree, and I'm done. I just created a new Gmail account with a new Gmail address. From here we can use this Gmail account like any other. As an example, if we go to mail.google.com, we can use our Gmail address to create accounts or whatever. Thank you for watching and bye bye.